Hi guys, my name is Kai and I'm from the team at Riser. This is one of our projects where we used Everdeck. Even though they're called composite decking, they've still got the wood grain running throughout the decking boards. The thing that sets Everdeck apart from the other decking is that it's built to last. Really easy to take care of them, and you don't really need ongoing maintenance other than just your normal sweep and washing it down, which is absolutely beautiful. Clients who have changed from Mobu into composite haven't regretted their decision ever since, and we've been getting really good feedback about composite. I'll recommend this to other builders as well, just because it's easy to install and the whole process is really simple, and it guarantees that your project just stays on schedule, within budget, and with the right quality as well. Doing the takeoff for the decking, on their website there's actually a takeoff tool to help you. So I simply put in all the dimensions that I needed and the design intent, and then it basically gave me a list of items which I forwarded straight onto Dawson's. Best thing about Everdeck is that it is an Australian brand. Their deckings are made from recycled materials in Tasmania. We'll definitely be using Everdeck again for all of our other builds that's coming up this year.